All right, good morning. Day 12. It's Friday. You'll see it on Saturday. Hope you have a great Saturday, by the way. Anyway, so yesterday I was talking about upping my game. I didn't know if I should, ride harder, more strenuous, or whether I should just make my rides longer. So this morning I decided, I still want to run a mile, and my ankles and knees were killing me. So this morning I decided to walk and run a half a mile and then ride my normal 6 miles. So that ups my game, keeps my ride the same, and adds a different element to my workout. And then I got a plan that is really going to up my workout because I have a goal. And by Daytona Bike Week, I want to be beach bod ready. For an old guy, that's hard to be. Anyway, so today's video, I'm just going to take you through a day in the life. Just so you guys kind of get an idea of what we do on a daily basis. And might enlighten you on the different aspects of everything we do. So first thing, of course, I get up every morning, usually between 6 and 7 o'clock. I don't set an alarm, it's just whenever I wake up. I usually go to bed anywhere from 10 to midnight. But anyway, I get up and the first thing I do is come out here and get my workout in. So we've got that done. Let's go in and get the day started. Oh yeah, I have no idea why I didn't mention this. I pushed myself harder today. Today was day 2 of under a 5-minute mile. I think it was 4 minutes, 53 seconds average per mile. I went 6.17 miles. Took me 30 minutes, 16 seconds at a 12.22 mile per hour pace. Anyway, so it was a great Friday morning workout. Now let's get the day started. All right, so first things first. Coffee. Nothing fancy for me though. I watch these different channels and they have these fancy like espresso coffee maker things, and they have video like slow motion stuff. Not me. I'm pretty simple. Some Folgers. I even have my own K-cup I just fill up with grounds because first off, I can't see paying $8 a cup of coffee at Starbucks. I want 80 cups of coffee for $8. So I make my own, but I can have it whenever I want, however I want. So let's get some coffee. All right. Coffee is ready to go. That is what I have going on in my office today. So that cat there is, what would you call it, a grand cat? That is Nerdy Badger's cat. And Nerdy Badger brings her cat over to visit our cat at least 2 or 3 times a week. And we're babysitting this weekend. So I'm gonna have to put up with that crap all weekend. And these two just go at it. It's craziness. All right guys, so quick update. I came in right after my workout, which is like 8 o'clock. I sat down and started approving members into all of our groups. We currently have 15 SupportBikers groups, and it is now 11 o'clock. I still haven't taken my shower, and I just got done getting everybody in the groups. So next, we have 2 personal pages, 3 business pages, all those groups, 3 Instagrams, 1 YouTube, and 1 TikTok. They all have comments, reactions that we need to comment to and reply to and respond to, and that'll be next. So as you can see, it's a lot. So fortunately, we have Mama Badger working on it. We have Amy, Faux Badger, who works for us, working on it. And we all kind of divide everything up to get everything done. But I let everybody in the groups because I go through every profile just to try to make sure that there's none of the fake BS that gets into our group and I have to kick them out later. I'm pretty picky. That, and if they're from a particular state, that we have a Support Bikers group in, I will invite them to that state group as well. So anyway, just kind of a peek into how long it takes just to let everybody in the groups every day. And like I said, we have 15 groups and we just signed a new sponsor. So we're gonna have 16 groups and then 17 and 18 and so on. So you see how this just perpetuates itself. Anyway, guys, time to take a shower. I'll see you in the next phase. All right, so we had a quick business meeting. Funny thing is, the business meeting was with my youngest daughter, who is in college, and she's trying to figure out her bills and how to pay for that. And it's kind of always been our rule that if you want to go to college, you pay for that. So we were helping her figure that all out. And you know what? She's got this handled, no freaking problem. She's just gonna have to work her butt off for the next couple of years. Anyway, just remembered I gotta run an errand. So, you know, the good part about running an errand is you can do it on a motorcycle. Be right back. All right. Need to get done when I need to get done. Why is everything gotta be so freaking complicated? Alright, I was debating on whether to do this or not, but quick rant. I just left my bank. I have like 7 accounts with, I have credit lines with, my kids all have accounts with, and car loans and everything. And so I walk in there and I'm like, hey, I need to open a new account. And they're like, do you have an appointment? Never needed an appointment to set up a bank account. So they're like, well, you know, things have changed, and we're the tellers as well as the desks. And then I look around, and like every desk is empty, right? There's nobody in the whole freaking building. And she looks around and she's like, but you know, of course, right now we're not busy, so we can take care of you. Then why even bring that up? Because all you do is just piss off your customers. So now we're already kind of in a negative light, right? Because she's all bitchy at me when I came in to open up another account and put more fucking money in your bank. And then after being there half an hour, and she has no clue what the hell she is doing, she gives me paperwork to go back and fill out. My frustration level is here. I hate my local branch for this bank. I'm at the bank because a good friend of mine is a manager at another location, and she is flipping awesome. But this location in Port Charlotte, it freaking sucks. And I may leave the bank just because of that. Anyway, rant over. On to whatever's next. All right, so it is now 2:35 p.m. As you just heard, the errand I ran was completely worthless. A complete waste of time. I'm a little pissed off about it still. And I haven't even started with all of the hundreds of comments that I've got on, let's see what we take care of. We have 2 personal Facebook pages. We have 3 business Facebook pages with well over 200,000 people following those 3. We have 15 different Support Bikers groups. We have 3 Instagram accounts, 1 YouTube, 1 TikTok, and like 12 sponsors. Makes for a pretty full day. Can't tell you how many emails a day I get, but now I need to go through and react and like and comment on all of those comments that we've got on all of our pages. So I'll be doing that till, I don't know, 10 o'clock tonight or so. So that's pretty much the way the rest of the day goes. Oh, and I need to finish this video, and I need to edit this video. Speaking of that, today's shout out. I don't know if it says it there. It doesn't. It's Bretz Injury Law. They're a sponsor of ours. They are biker-owned, biker-operated attorneys, and they will do a great job for you should you need them. So I'll put the link down in the video. Let me start this over again. I'll put the link down in the video description so you can click on them, check them out, like their pages, like their social media, so that you can reach out to them should you ever need them. I hope you don't, but if you do, give them a call. Anyway, I think that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.